Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows fonts look blurry, enable font smoothing to fix it. First method is change advanced system settings. Second method is change registry settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.